Hello, this is Wheeled and Well Armed. Today we're going to talk about the SmartDrive and replacing the 16 little wheels on the SmartDrive. I know this is a different topic for a lot of you guys, but this is a apparatus that hooks on the bottom of a wheelchair. It's controlled by a Bluetooth device that you wear on your wrist, and you're able to control your speed strictly with the bracelet and be able to push it at any the faster you push it, the faster it goes, and then you just slap your wrist on with the bracelet on your wheel, and it disengages. So you're able to save your shoulders and have a lot more longevity in a manual chair. Most of us that stay in manual chairs as long as we can, just for the physical activity that gets better for us in the long run. And the SmartDrive enables us to do that compared to being in a power chair. The parts we need, the tools we need, are the screwdriver. That's it as far as that. It comes with 16 screws. The part kit, you'll see in the picture, but comes with 16 of these little independent wheels that enable the SmartDrive to spin left and right. And then it comes with 4 of these brackets. So that's going to replace these. So what happens is when you're driving on the road, it not only goes this way, but it also, the wheels go side to side as needed. So when you want to make a tight pivot turn, you're spinning on these wheels on the bottom. You have to replace these or it will permanently affect it, and you will be no good after it's completely worn out. So every once in a while you have to replace these. It's just not a good video of these available, so I wanted to do this video. Hopefully it'll help. So I'm going to speed it up during a lot of these things when I'm not talking. And then when we start cleaning it, I'll show you where I put the WD-40. And then when we start lubricating it, I'll show you where we're putting the white lithium grease. And then any other instructions, I'll stop and talk or slow it down to normal speed. Well, all right, here we go. So that's the first half. Flip it over. All right, now we're going to clean it. I'm going to take a little bit of WD-40. Spray it real good in the corner. of the white lithium grease. Whenever I use the red Loctite or any type of glue in small amounts, I always put it in the spoon, and then I'm able to dip the screws in the spoon. So I'll just squirt it out right here. It's not going to take that much. All right, she's all together, both the left and right side. All brand new wheels, all spinning very freely. So we're gonna put this on the charger, and tomorrow we'll run around with the kids. There's a neighborhood block party, so we'll give it a spin, literally. So anyway, can't wait till see you tomorrow.
And who is the winner? I think it might that Daddy might be in the lead. Look at that, he's going so much faster than this skating dude. He doesn't look like he's an expert, but he does look like he's doing his best. So off they go to a birthday party. And we
You get this?
Mm-hmm. Wait, Ellie, do that once more.
Race this way, both of you. Yeah, you're not used to blades, are you? Up, up, up. Okay. Oh, you think that's faster? I don't know.
They're both like the same speed, Daddy.
I think we're at the same speed. We get those feet going, that feet movement. There you go.
I'm not very good at it.
Well, you don't do it that often.